So if you Google search the surface area of a sphere, this is the formula that comes up, and all you have to do is plug in 3 because that's our radius. So if you evaluate that, 3 squared is 9, 9 times 4 makes 36 pi. So for this question, the surface area is like how much wrapping paper would you need to wrap around this object, right? So we have a bunch of wrapping paper that needs to go around the rim on the outside, and then we have this area in here that needs to have wrapping paper over it. This area in the bottom needs to have wrapping paper. And so actually, and then the sides are going to be covered in wrapping paper too. So let's split this up into two different things. There's two circles. So there's 2 times pi r squared. That's the area for the top circle and the area for the bottom circle. That all needs to be covered in wrapping paper. And then we also need the area of the edges that go all the way around, right? So one part of the edge, this circle on the bottom, that's the circumference of a circle. So that's 2 pi r. We have 1 on bottom, and then if you multiply this by the height, that takes care of the two-dimensional area for the side of this figure. And then we could rearrange this formula a little bit, but if you could also just Google search surface area of a cylinder formula, and something like this would come up. Now the last thing to do is to plug everything in. So the radius of the circle is 27. And the height is 4, so we'll plug that in. So over here I'm going to do 27 times 27 times 2. 27 times 27 times 2. So we get 1,458 pi. I haven't multiplied by pi yet because my multiple choice answers that I see on my screen are in terms of pi. So that's this. That's in terms of pi. And then over here we have 2 times 27 times 4, so this is 216 pi. And so since they both have pi, we can add them up. 1,674 pi. That's our two-dimensional area, so that's the surface area.